problem 4. This will be the most challenging problem we have in this video. Okay, 100 lanterns labeled 1 through 100 lit in a row. They can only be lit or unlit. First, Charlie pulls all lamps that are labeled a multiple of 3. Okay, then going to the beginning again, she does the same thing with all of the lanterns labeled a multiple of 5. So now how many lanterns are lit? Again, we have multiples. And it's just that this time it's with lanterns. And it's repeating. First, I need to explain why I highlighted this word lit. It's because a light can only be lit or unlit. Lit or unlit. So it's very important to think about what is their state in right at the very beginning before any lamps are pulled. Okay, so now I'm going to be creating my Venn diagram, of course. So I have 2 circles. Okay. And over here will be a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 5. So it's labeled 1 through 100. First, how many multiples of 3 are there? Well, we see how many groups of 3 fit evenly into 100. 100 divided by 3. That would give us 33.3, and it keeps going on. But the number of pole groups of 3 that fit into 100 is 33. So it means that there are 33 multiples of 3 in 100. Now let's see how many 5s fit. And from last problem, you may have remembered that's 20. But we can't directly write 20 right in here because we know that there are going to be some multiples that are going to be recounted. And those will be 15. So there's 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. So if I add another one, it would be 105, and that would be over 100. So in total, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. So what we're going to do is subtract 6 from this 20, because we don't want to recount that shared part. So 20 minus 6 equals 14. So right here, it's 14. So all together, so you might have, okay, in the other problem, we in the end we calculated it together, but it's different for this problem, because what happens is, in the middle is 6. So what happens is there's first, so she first pulls all multiples of 3. Then she goes to the beginning and pulls all multiples of 5. So there are going to be 6 lanterns that are pulled twice, if you get what I mean. And let's think about that for a sec. After they're pulled once, they go unlit because they were started lighting up. They started being lit. Like at the very beginning, because before Charlie pulled any lamps, they were all lit. After 2 pulls, they are lit up again. So if there are 33 lamps on the first round that goes unlit, there will be 67 lights left. And then another 14 lights go off. 14, because for the second round, it's multiples of 5. So 14 less than that will be 53. So now 53 lights are still lit. But remember, there were 6 lights that were lit twice. So to 53, we add 6, which is 59. So in the end, 59 lanterns remain lit.